Hey y'all, so today I'm going to show you something that's a little bit out of my comfort zone. I bought a jewelry mystery box. I've never sold jewelry before. I don't know good keywords for jewelry, but I know there's a lot of money to be made in the secondhand jewelry market, so I wanted to just like jump in feet first, get my feet wet, or however that expression goes. And I bought a $50 jewelry mystery box from Thredup. I have been watching other people's unboxings and I've seen some really nice stuff. Some people get great pieces. And so I decided to go ahead, bite the bullet, and get one. So I'm going to show you what Thredup sent me. I kind of have mixed feelings about it, but again, I don't really sell jewelry, so I'm only going off of comps that I've quickly searched. So if you have any tips for me when I'm showing you these pieces, definitely leave that in the comments. I definitely need all the tips that I can get. Before we get into it, you should know this video is a collab with two YouTube resellers I'm sure you know and love already. Clarissa from Thriving Thrifter, she buys a ton of these Thredup jewelry boxes, and Kay from Passports and Pizza Pies, she also buys a lot of Thredup boxes as well. So if you want to see what they got, I will link both of their videos down below, and I can't wait to see what they got. I hope they got something good, a Bolo brand. I did get a brand I was hoping I would get in this box. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you what they sent me. So I believe this box was $50. And they did wrap it up really well. Let me tell you where it came from. Okay, mine is from Arizona. So this is what came in my box. I'm gonna kind of give you, I already unboxed it because I was dying to see what was in here. So whenever you opened it up, you get your tissue paper. And then I think it also had bubbles on top. And then all of my jewelry was in a small plastic bag, and then all the small plastic bags we're in this big bag. So that'll make it easy for storage. This is the only jewelry I'm gonna have up for sale. So once I list it, I'm just gonna put all the jewelry back in this and put it on a shelf in my inventory room. So let's just get started. So these are a pair of earrings, and these are brand new, and they are from Bauble Bar, and I think whenever I looked this up, I think new these sell maybe around $30. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna give that a shot. Again, I spent $50 on this, and then everything else came in these little bags. Usually in my videos, I show y'all my favorite things first, but I already mixed all this back up, so I'm just gonna pull it out and show you each piece. A lot of this stuff was unbranded. So this is just a pair of like gold tone little rhinestone earrings. So not really sure how much this would go for. Probably not a lot, right? Maybe like $10.99 free ship. I don't know. Like I said, any good keywords that you think will help me will be appreciated. Arizona did tape up some of these chains so they didn't get knotted up, which I do appreciate. I was lucky enough to get this box because Clarissa texted me to let me know that it was up and available. These boxes go really quick. So this is 15 pieces, and they also have a DIY jewelry box where if you buy that one, you're gonna deal with a lot of tangles. So there's definitely pros to buying the 15 piece, I'm sure. Okay, so this one I'm gonna have to look it up. This is the logo. Like I said, I don't know anything about jewelry, but I'm sure Google search is my best friend. So this is a gold long chain necklace, and then it has like this little teardrop with some silver in it. Really, really pretty. Let me know if you sell jewelry. How do you take pictures? I have 3 different mannequins, but I have a white mannequin, and I think I'm gonna put all of my jewelry on my white mannequin, maybe to make it like pop out. I also have a black mannequin, and then I have a black and white fabric mannequin. I think that one it's too busy. So what do you think? Should I use a black background or a white background for jewelry? You guys let me know. Okay, here's another earring that honestly, I think it's really, really pretty. I'm not sure if I'm going to sell this earring. Orange is my favorite color, and I do have a lot of jewelry that's orange. I just think this is so pretty. But yeah, there's no markings on it, so I feel like if I sold them, it wouldn't go for a high amount anyway. So if you like jewelry, these are probably a good box to purchase. So whenever I got this box, I unboxed it in my kitchen with my husband, and he was a little bit flabbergasted at some of these J. Crew pieces. If you guys know, J. Crew makes some pretty wild jewelry. This one is a little bit tangled up. I think this is J. Crew. I'm gonna have to work on untangling this, but it has big old jewels, blue, clear. It's like a silver chain. It has a lot of pretty floral details on it. Once I get this thing untangled, I'm sure it'll look better than how I'm showing it. But yeah, that's a pretty necklace. All right, this piece here is J. Crew. And this one is a really pretty piece. I'm gonna do like Google image search for a lot of these pieces to see if I can like find the name. But it has like a gold, I'm sure there's a word for this type of chain. And then it is beaded, it has the yellow beads. It's just really, really pretty. I think I can get some good pictures of this one. So yeah, I'm excited about this necklace. All right, here's the best piece in the box. And if you can see, it is Kate Spade. It's gonna be really hard to show you. But it's like a rose gold necklace. Really, really pretty. Yeah, I think this one will do good. I'm probably going to get the most for this. There is some, like a little bit of scratching. Let me see if I can show you up close. There's just some scratching like on the rose gold part. It's gonna be really hard to show you. But yeah, overall a cute necklace. I'll probably make most of my box back on this one. They threw in this really pretty ring here. This is a size 10. And yeah, just a silver ring. Really, really pretty. I think this one should do pretty well. This ring is unbranded, so I probably will have to sell this with just some keywords. So here's another unbranded piece, and it is actually a bracelet. It's like a little silver bracelet with a dragonfly. I think that's pretty cute. These were unbranded, but they kind of remind me of J. Crew. Maybe Google image search will help me find what brand these are. By the way, if you're interested in anything, definitely shoot me a DM on Instagram and we can definitely work out a deal. Yeah, these are cute earrings. I'm just gonna have to really use some keywords to sell some of this. Okay, here's another unbranded piece, but I really like it. It's a really long gold necklace, and then it has like just these little gold circles and squares and whatnot at the end. But yeah, I think this is really pretty. I think that you could really layer this. That'd be really cute. I like that. Here's another J. Crew, and I love the color. This beautiful coral necklace. Has a gold chain. I think this one's really pretty. This may be my second or third favorite in the box. Okay, so these are some earrings. They're just basically little gold bows. They don't have any markings, nothing. I don't have a loop here, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't say anything. Let me know if you recognize this. Here's another necklace taped up. This is another one I'm going to have to Google image search. I feel like I've seen it before though. I will try to get it on camera. Is it Brighton? Maybe it's Brighton. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's just a long silver necklace, and then it has this little... See, I don't know the keywords, you guys. You guys are going to have to help me. It does have a fun, like, metal fringe here at the bottom. But yeah, really pretty once I look this up. I think once I am able to find a lot of this on Google search, it's really going to help out my listing. Also, for those of y'all who do sell jewelry, do you sell it mostly on eBay or do you sell it on Poshmark? Is it a little bit of both? Let me know. Okay, this is another J. Crew. This one is a really pretty J. Crew necklace. It's a gold and navy blue, kind of like a choker. I don't know what style, what style this would be, kind of higher up on your neck. But yeah, really, really pretty gold and navy blue. This is one of my favorites in the box for sure. Even though there were some unbranded items, I think they did make up for it with some cute pieces from J. Crew, Kate Spade, things like that. So, you know, I'm okay with this box. All right, y'all, the box is empty. Those were my 15 pieces that came in my Thredup Jewelry rescue box. What did you guys think? Make sure to click on the video links in my description box and watch Clarissa and Kay's unboxings. Cannot wait to see what you girls get. Hopefully you got some Bolo brands as well. Yeah, like I said, I think it was an okay box. I've never sold jewelry before, so maybe one of these pieces, when I look it up, is worth like $50. Who knows? I would love to hear the opinions of people who do sell jewelry currently. Let me know what you guys think, and maybe I'll buy another box if this one does well for me. We will see. I still haven't made my money back from my Thredup handbag box. I have not sold one handbag, and that box was like $100, $100 and something dollars. So yeah, once I make my money back on this one, we'll see about buying a second one, and I will see y'all very soon for, I think a vlog is coming up next, so I'll see y'all soon for that video. Bye y'all.